When your carpet's in a mess, call ProCare.
Hey folks, John Browning with ProCare here. Being the top carpet cleaning company in Middle Tennessee, we often get the following question: what's the best kind of carpet to buy? So, we created a carpet selecting guide that covers the pros and cons of the 6 most popular carpet types, along with terminology that can help you understand carpet better when shopping. We also suggest shopping at your locally owned carpet retailer, as they will have the most knowledgeable salespeople and the best installation compared to a big box store. The carpet selection guide can be found at procareofnashville.com under resources. You will also find a list of textile and hard surfaces that we clean and protect. So visit us online today at procareofnashville.com.
Call the company that